careful, Mr. Will. Now, you guys, when you check it, you can check it tomorrow, just with your eyes, not with your hands, okay? And remember, I won't come tomorrow, but I will come Thursday. And when I come Thursday, then we can take the egg out, okay?
Destroy.
And destroy it. Okay, come back.
And act like
Come back to the
Godzilla.
camera. You gotta come back to the camera. I'm in the camera by myself.
Wait, it's right.
Okay, now,
We're back.
Will, your responsibility is to fill the 2 glass jars. We're gonna
With
do a
water?
separate experiment, yes. And you can fill it right to this line of the longhorn's head.
What if I miss
So
it?
William, that's about, it doesn't matter, just take your time, okay? Because the purpose is just to get this container, this glass container filled with water. All right, so we're gonna fill the container at just about here, and that's probably like a cup and a half or something. So fill them here. Is that halfway, Will? We've been working on halfway. Is that just about halfway?
No. I think it's good, like.
That is just about halfway. If you look at the container, right? So go fill both of them up. Valley, go help your brother.
Water
And
put
with-
there? No.
Water right here, Will. This water, tap water, not the good drinking water. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So the guys are filling up the containers with water. Not sure if you can see them. I'll move the container. Perfect. Wait, let me see it, Valley. Turn it around. Yeah. Oh, that was good, Valley. William, good job. Good estimates. Good estimates. Okay.
1 hour.
Ready? And set and off.
Yay.
All right. Now with this experiment, we are going to see what happens if we place
10 million cups.
a lemon inside with the skin off and a lemon inside with the skin on. Okay? When we put them in water, listen first. When we put them in water, what do you think is going to happen to both of them?
I think they're gonna explode.
Do you think lemons explode in water? Give me a real guess, not a silly guess. I need your real guess. What do you think is? Wait, not this one, Valley. Listening ears. I'm gonna peel one, just one.
I know one.
What do you think is gonna happen, Valley?
It's going like the water will come out and the lemon will be nice and hard.
The lemon is already nice and hard. When you put
Oh,
something in
Actually,
water,
no, I actually know.
okay, when
it's gonna sink
it's gonna sink. Why do you think it's gonna sink?
because it's heavy.
Because it's heavy.
For
So do
water.
you think both of the lemons are gonna sink? The peeled lemon and the lemon with the skin on it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you pull it in. I'm just peeling.
Can I pull that one and the white rice and put that one?
You want to put the peeled lemon in, and you want your brother to put the lemon with the skin in. Don't drop it. Place it nicely. Go ahead. Let it go.
Actually, but they both.
Both floated. Normally,
But actually, you can see that
but the thing is,
It's
normally with the
not
lemon,
floating. It's actually not floating because it's under the water.
There.
exactly. Normally, wait, Valley.
I mean, no.
Normally, if it were an orange, it would be heavy and sink all the way to the bottom. I'm wondering why the lemon. Wait, Valley. Let me turn this one. Turn. I know we gotta turn it. You're right, Valley. There you go. There we go. Oh, this one too. All right. So normally, one sinks and one floats, but that didn't work. Let's see. Let's try the lime. Nope, it's not getting heavy because it's floating. It's still at the very top. This one will
Yeah.
never go all the way down. The purpose of this experiment.
Maybe it's because.
Get a napkin, Mr. Will.
Why?
Get a napkin.
Why?
Valley, get a
Oh,
napkin,
oh.
Valley.
I thought you were going.
No, you gotta listen. Just grab a napkin, bub.
Oh, I thought. You
Good job, Valley. Be careful.
I'm just
Fold
like.
it in half,
I'm a
Valley.
Kiwi. I'm
Come
a
right
little
here.
Kiwi.
Come right here so they can see. All right.
Well, we got a napkin for it right.
Yeah, so we don't put it on the table and
And
make
then
it all
it'll
wet.
explode.
All right, so here we go. Let's try the limes. The oranges are too big to fit.
Ooh, what about crayons?
We can't use the crayons because...
They'll explode.
William, why do you want everything to explode?
Because I never seen something explode.
Well, it won't explode. There's no chemical reaction. If there were some type of chemical reaction,
I'll
then
be
we would
right
get
back.
like an explosion Why is this lime
Hard.
hard to peel?
Because it has sensitive.
Tiny is like a fruit.
Wait, Brad. We have our tiny fruit. Let's see. Let's see.
I know one. It's probably my favorite.
But diver.
Maybe limes aren't meant to be peeled. What do you guys think?
I'm not sure. Are they?
They are.
And this one smells very bad. And
Well,
this
it's a
one-
lime. It smells citrusy.
Oh, this
Give me the
smells
rest.
awful.
I'm
This
sure.
one kind of.
It's a lemon and a lime,
This
Valley.
one smells good and this one smells bad.
Everything smells
does.
bad to you.
Now,
Which one do you like the best?
I
You like the smell of the lime the best?
I like the one that smells.
You like the lime smell better?
That doesn't smell good. The one.
I think the lime is a little bit more bitter and sour than the lemon. Now, I'm not sure if this was gonna work, guys. I've seen it done with an orange, but
Will it sink?
we'll see. Okay, so the purpose of this experiment is to let you know that, remember I told you about the embryonic sac inside of the egg and how it helps the baby bird live because there's no oxygen going inside of the egg? There is actually oxygen inside the embryonic sac, and that's what the baby gets its air from. But with a lemon, a lime, or an orange, it has its skin around it, and what the skin does is the skin acts as an embryonic sac. William, are you listening?
Yeah.
You're not. Come closer, Will. You're not even in the camera.
Hi.
So with the lemon or
Are
the
these
lime,
Are these people watching us?
yes, they are watching.
Why are they?
They're
talking?
probably not on yet. I mean, they probably came on and they're off. All right, so here with you have to listen to my voice, Will. What did I just tell you about the embryonic sac? What does it hold inside of it?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Good job.
I'm bad.
So with the skin, Valley, the skin also gives what? What did I say the skin does for the lemon and the lime and the orange? What does it have in it?
The cheese.
Oh,
Wait,
it has.
not on the camera.
It has like little flower thing.
Well, with the lemon and the lime, let's see if it's gonna work. You want to drop them in?
Yeah.
Will,
Can I have?
William is already here, so drop them in.
Whoa.
Mm. Both of them sunk. Nope. Huh.
This one 100%.
But that one not. That one no touching or that one.
Let's see. Wait, hold up, Valley. Let's do the lemon versus the lime. So this lemon must have oxygen or air inside because when we took the peeling off, it still floated just as much as this one did with the skin on it. But this, feel how, wait, Valley, feel how tight this one is. And feel how tight, right, feel how this one is. Now switch. Switch.
Wow, it's actually kind of.
And this one is
Still
squishier,
hard.
right? And this one is hard. So which one do you think has more air flowing through it?
Oh,
This one.
that one.
This one. This is why this lime sunk to the bottom and this lemon floated. And this lemon floated and that lime sunk to the bottom. Now let's do the peeled lemon against the, listening ears, Valley. Stop being so anxious to just grab. Let's use the peeled lime against the unpeeled lemon. Put it in. Try not to drop it. Just place it in. You got to do it sideways. All right. Now, look at the lemon and the lime. Which one, when something is heavy, is because it doesn't have as much air. So the skin around this lemon has air in it. It's almost like a bubble.
It kind of that one reaching the bottom, but this
But you
one
have to
really-
listen why. Listen, okay? This one is reaching the bottom because we took the skin and peeling off of it, which made it heavy and it made it sink to the bottom. But like we said, even the particles of this lime is closely knit and packed together, so no air flows through it. The lemon, the particles in the lemon are not as closely knit together, and it allows a lot of air through it. That's why even with the skin on it, it was able to float. Now, the difference between the lime and the lemon with the skin on it is that this lemon, underneath the skin, is like a bubble. And then the fruit, right? When you peel the orange, you take the skin off of it, right? But pretend after you peel the orange, there was a bubble around that orange. That bubble represents the air. And then you can get to the fruit. So with this lemon, the reason why it floats is because there is air underneath the skin, which causes it to be lightweight.
What happened we put this one, like this one under that one?
This one under it,
No, this one.
this
On
one
top of
on
it.
top of it, I think it's still gonna float.
Whoa.
Remember, what did I tell you? Why is it floating? Because it has what flowing through it?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
A bubble.
It's like a bubble. It
Yeah.
has that air flowing through it, just like this one. Okay, guys, that's our last experiment, and we'll do one more after our tutoring session.
I have
Now,
one.
what do you want to see,
Look,
baby?
I have one. It looks like me too, and Tim had one.
But wait, we're gonna do our next listening ears. Come here. We're doing our next experiment when?
Tomorrow.
Mm-mm.
On Tuesday.
No. That means no one's listening.
On Thursday.
Yes, yes.
48 hours. 48 hours.
No. We'll do the next experiment after
I think this
tutoring.
experiment.
Yes,
I'm
we'll do
sorry.
the next experiment after
I thought
tutoring.
20 was
You didn't
the-
like-
Yeah, the egg is 48 hours.
Yes.
But this
I'm
experiment,
okay.
let's see, let's put it in.
Whoa.
It's so heavy, those limes. You know what? Ms. Darshell has never did them with lemon and limes. I just learned something new as well. With an orange, when you peel the orange skin off, it automatically gets heavy and it sinks to the bottom. Okay, Valen, we'll move your containers and bring them to the counter, and we can leave them there until after our tutoring session. Okay, to all of my babies out there in the Nan land. Wait, Will. Wait, you can say something. I'm not signing off. Yeah, bye, like, share,
And subscribe.
subscribe.
And sit right your house.
Go to YouTube. We have YouTube, Instagram, all of that cool stuff. You can find us there. And remember, I told you guys I have a website that's about to pop up. I am super excited. We will have interactive activities. We will have live feed videos where the kids can interact and do activities with me. Before each live feed, I will put a list up, a supply list, so that the kids can join. Will, come over here. You're not even in the camera. So that the kids can join. So to all of my babies out there in that Nan land, I love you guys. Have fun. Explore science.
And
Explore your environment. Yes, Will.
And if you don't subscribe, a spider will come and scare you.
Don't worry about the spider, guys. Just subscribe, like, allow your kids to go to the page. I love you guys out there. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Be precautious. We know what's going on in our world. I love you guys. And we're signing off. Bye. We're finished. You got it, Val?